Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? What's up? Am I in the Discord yet? Hold on, hold on. Let's make sure to jump in the Discord. How are you guys doing on this fine, beautiful Wednesday morning? Yes, and I do have to fix my camera here as I was cleaning the station last night. Let's adjust the camera. All right, there we go. Much better. How are you guys doing on this beautiful Wednesday morning? Today's August 21st, 2024, and it's another lovely day, another beautiful day as we're waking up once again and having the chance to improve and to be our best selves. As you guys know on this channel, my only goal is progress. And, more recently, we've reignited the flames and we are looking forward to chasing down our greatness. One day at a time, one trade at a time. And so, with that being said, no matter how it may look here, because at times we understand the momentum can be so strong that it can seem easy. But best believe it is not ever easy. It's always a challenge. And so keep in mind that if you're a newer trader, to heed the warning, go slow, utilize risk money, utilize a small amount of cash, paper trade, aka use the simulators to ensure that your tuition to the market is on the lower side of things. Remember, copy trading does not work. It's all about learning and understanding the strategy, which takes time, months, more commonly years. All right. And lastly, I do not invest for my subscribers. So be careful with fake accounts. I will never message you first. I do not use Telegram. I do not use WhatsApp. I do not do copy trading. I do not do mirror trading. Be careful of these fake Relentless trader accounts, all right? So, now with the disclaimer out of the way, let's talk about the watch list. What's moving RT, what's moving and what's not. By the way, hit that thumbs up if you're tuning in on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch. Now, the watch list. So, there's REVB. There's SMFL. There's SDIG. And there's BBAI. Those are the top 4 that I will be keeping my eyes on today. All right. I'm going to post it to the alert section as well. Here we go. And for those of you on YouTube, here it is. Check out the watch list. Alex, what's up? Gus, MDJ is in the building. Seb, how you doing? Old Hack, good to see you. Patrick Fox, Tommy, Brad, Skull, what's going on, guys? Good morning. In the chat room, we do have a few people here as well. Jimmy, there's actually quite a long list. Snaz, how you doing? Tasty Trades, Tempest, Rum Trader, Ron, Rio, MR, and so forth. The list goes on. Hope you guys are feeling good today. Big Steve and Dash. Is Dash all? I think Dash is there as well. Big Steve, good morning as well, right? So here we go. Let's jump into SMFL, and I'll start there and make my way through the list. SMFL up 155% to 28 million shares of volume. Our pre-market high is clocking in at 280. 280 pre-market high. The low of our pullback down here right above VWAP or around the VWAP area at 223. I'm going to check out the daily chart here, see what we're working with. So it seems like recently we've been getting beaten up and selling off over the last few weeks. And yesterday we had a low of 78 cents, so it's a pretty big gap today. I believe it's if we close above 50 cents, the hot levels are a little wider. I always look these things up. They're confirmed from other traders and then I forget. It's why we got to continue to polish our memories and our mind and always keep learning, right? So I'm checking out the daily chart here. And there's a couple of candles that I'm noticing. So this is a familiar stock. We did trade it before. Let's see. I'm going to clear up just a few of the levels that are not as relevant. So we have a topping wick with a high of 515 on May 3rd of this year, and only 3 million shares of volume that day, but still something, still a level that could be worth looking at. 515, a little up there, but I'm going to turn on the alarm for the screen recording. Should be going off any second now. Going back to April 23rd, 15 million shares of volume, high of 713. And this is kind of out there because we're only at 240. So I don't think I'm going to map out many more levels above this. I have 882. This is a stock that's been up like multiple times over the last like year. In fact, it's, most people probably have this in their top 10 of stocks that did well, So yeah, if this gets to 515 from this $2.50 area, that alone will be amazing. Another 100% move, right? So be sure to turn on your screen recordings, guys. Turn on your screen recordings. As you guys know, in MMU, it is mandatory, and we do highly recommend it for those of you guys trading in the broader community on Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, and so forth. All right, SMFL looking decent. If we can get over the pre-market highs, I would expect to see $3, and from there, can we see something, and perhaps, 350, 4, maybe $5. Moving on to REVB. REVB up 109%. I'm going to clear my drawing set here. Start fresh. Pre-market highs up at 376. Not bad at all. And we have been trending down. It has been pulling back. We had lows down here at 226. I'd really like to see us hold up this area here. Seems like it's having some trouble right now. And there's a bit of a midpoint at 304. So break of 3 can be interesting if we're able to get over the VWAP. And from there, the pre-market high is definitely a target. Checking out the daily. Our last big rejection candle was on June 24th, high point of 380. And that's essentially our pre-market high. So it's probably why it pulled back from there in the first place. So definitely 380 possible resistance. If the stock gets up there and starts acting funny, I need to know to ease off, be patient, wait, and do not overdo it. But if it is to get above 380, we can perhaps see 434 and then 754. 434 and 754. Let me get those two levels. 754. 754 is like the low of the gap, because there's a gap down in like January of this year, if you guys check out the daily chart. And my alarm for the screen recording, I don't think it went off, right? This is the 2-minute warning right there. I'm not sure why that's happening, but whatever. Anyhow, moving on to SDIG. This one also looks good, and there's like a bit of a flat top here for break of 5. This maybe, if it's strong right into the open, we can see the beautiful opening surge. Right? Let me check out the daily chart here. The low of that last pullback was down there at 441, and recently we've been holding up at the VWAP around 50 and 55. SDIG. These are my top 3, and it's right at the 200 EMA, it seems here. Is this accurate? 389. I'm seeing 389, and I'm also seeing 470 on E-Trade. I don't know which one is correct. I'm gonna just put 470 just in case it is. We're right here, but we'll see. Thinkorswim is giving me a different level. But anyhow, with 40 seconds to go, it's another beautiful day. We're getting another chance to be disciplined. I do have my bullet points right here in front of me, right? I have all the key things I want to continue to focus on to let the discipline compound, all right? Sizing up early if it makes sense. Positioning myself, being aggressive towards all good opportunities, right? Staying focused. After I get a loss, right? If I get a loss, staying locked in all these small key things that we've been mentioning over the last couple of days, it's time to put it into practice and continue to exercise discipline. So let's do what is necessary to ensure success, right? By doing all the correct things. So trade to the best of your abilities. My share size is set, and here we go. SMFL and SDIG. I'm watching. SDIG. Let's see how it does at 73. I'm going to take an entry 73 tight stop. This one is off screen. I'm going to give it a sec. Scratch trades. I like that it's holding 73, but I want to see more volume over 85 for break of 90 and a potential break of the whole dollar here. Ay. There better not be a mosquito in here. 80.
UPC.
REVB, nice move. 88 to 230. Okay, maybe I'm watching at the wrong ones here. Oh, there's 506. Oh, man. Just like yesterday, we're seeing multiple stocks being strong. I'm going to sell that soon because it felt high. 20 for the highs. Can we see a better dip here? There's a seller. 10,000. Okay, we're going to break. But it's a pretty poor break. It's a rejection. Watching the dip. Come on. Not quite dipping. Sizing down slightly. There's 06. Terrible fill there. Trying to buy sub 5. I'll try again. This could still be a little high. Yes, it is. Trying 80. It's okay, just failing. Well, worth a shot. And all of that was off screen, sadly. We're back from green to red. Trying all those million dips. Okay, moving on to SMFL. What's up with these fills? Low. I need more screen real estate, it would seem. 29. All right, I gotta lock in here. I gotta lock in. Kind of missing a few trades. Can we push through? 50, not quite the breakout, but you know, the dip was pretty good there. How's the fourth string stock doing? I gotta check on that one after this. There's 57. Pretty decent bounce. Son of a gun. Oh, that's not good. It's pulling back to the low of day levels. Another bad fill on that dip and the depths. Oh, okay, we're jeez. We're a little red to start. All right. A little bit of red to wake me up. Let me check that other stock. BBAI. Not much. What is that, man? Can we hold up our levels here? It's the second stock in a row in the first 5-10 minutes that's giving back all of its gains and then selling off. SDIG, is it possible we see the red to green here?
UPC.
SDIG. I'm going to pull it up when I can.
NEON.
Do not Titanic. Do not Titanic. Because if you Titanic, so I could have bought that dip lower. That's okay. I took 96. It went down to 92 or 91. So I'm going to stop out there. But it was a good dip. That was a good dip. Should have done better there. That would have been a great trade. 510, 525 for the highs. Fair. Waiting. Bro, come on. Don't tell me we got to go back down to 91 again. KB! KB, KB, KB! Where are those bulls? Don't tell me they're sleeping already. It's too early for that. We still need to be entertained here. We still need to be entertained. I'm gonna bring out some big boy. I'm gonna bring out my big boy pants if this stock goes. Let me show you guys a thing or two here, ESPN style. As you guys know, I'll accept the risks. If we can see a move, if we can bust a move. Can 1 minute candle make the new high? Waiting. It might need to pull back first. I'm gonna give it a sec, but I'm gonna keep an eye just in case it tries. Its volume is not high enough. Waiting. Ew, come on. Waiting patiently, waiting patiently. I hope I got that fill coming out. Can we hold? If not, it's just depths. What was the low? It's saying 82, but I saw 89. KB, this is your chance, brother. Tell him talk to us nicely here. What is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? Do I hear 550? Do I hear 550 coming up whispering into my ears? Okay, I do need to zoom in on my 5-minute chart to see what's going on. So let me do that quickly. Quickly with some haste. There's a little something something. A little something something right there. I probably should have unwinded that more in case we get all the way to the highs. I don't know if it'll go right away. But what I'm thinking is I'll add back or take the dip, depending on how it plays out. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Do not take me to the depths. Why is that art? Why is that thing coming up, man? Stupid confirmation is struggling. I'm gonna let it go. I'll let it go here and then take the dip. It should have flew through the level there. Not clean here, man. Not clean. Not with these confirmations and stuff. We got to do a better job. 25 for the highs. Time 42. There's 3 minutes left. I mean, the breakouts have been good. Like, they've been teleporting up like 40 cents. But it's kind of choppy here. You know, this is like our third, fourth, fifth time at 20 and not going. Come on. And ups again. See, yesterday is not today. Yesterday we would have been at $6. And we would have been smiling wide. I might have to size down again a bit. And this thing is on reverse. Still got to take off this reverse thing. 12, 17. Time 52:43. So there's about a minute left in the candle. Is this 8 time the charm? As long as it gives an entry after it goes and it's not a false breakout, I'll be okay. I'll feel pretty good. Can still do a lot of damage here very quickly. The new candle is about to open very soon. Bro, and if this goes, we need to see something good. Like we need 40, 50, 60, you know? If this goes to like 32, 35 depths. Now, if it does that and it continues gradually, that's fine. But, you know, in terms of it like just only going a couple cents, not will not be good. So we need the stock to follow through on its end of the bargain here. As long as the entry comes, the pastor will be in. $19, $15, $13, waiting. SDIG, allow me to have this dance. Also, I want to rotate and make sure nothing else is moving. I feel like I've been watching this one for a decade already. Are we going to see a sudden burst of volume? We've been lingering here for like 2 minutes. Or do we need to pull back again? Are we on to something here? Or is this another bluff? Sizing up if it goes. Oh, fuck. Bro, that's bullshit. I sold at like 35, 8K, man. I guess I'm gonna get slippage. See, if it only goes there and fails, then, you know, then it's just the depths. 35, come on. Well, it was worth a shot. Oh, are you kidding me, man? 25 fill is fair. 18 exit, not so fair. And I'm slow to buy there. I should have been in at 22. Because the moment it held up there, we should have been good. I'm red 1K. This is not good. I might have to size down. I'm going to size down. Man. Now I got no choice but to size down. It's still early, and I want to keep longevity in mind. So I can't, like, go too crazy and then, you know, red 2K, 3K, then that's too much. REVB. If this gets back to like 30, I think it'll be good, but REVB curling up at high of day. We'll see if this one is able to push through. Frustration. Not going to get me today. Keeping a clear, cool, calm, collected mind. Waiting for the next opportunity. REVB seems strange. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I need to wait for a dip. GDC. Let me see. Was that a big bid? Oh, man. What was that at 18? Oh, we're kind of high for that bid. There's 24. There's 23. There's 22. There's 20. Fill me, fill me, fill me. And that order better not be fake, because then I'm gonna go to the depths. I tried for 4K size, I'm only gonna fill 2100. I can try to add back again. I'll take 21. If it fills me, I'll take 21. Alright, cool. Now do not, as long as it doesn't Titanic, if this Titanics, I'm going to the gallows. But diamond hands, diamond hands. And there's 30. Woo! Talk to us nicely, man. KB, I see that you're still alive. And well. Yes, 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 yes. That was textbook. I'm going to size up big here if this wants to dip for me. I said I have all my big boy pants today, right? So big boy size. Now we need to be accurate with this big boy size or we're going to go back to the depths. Oh, and I have the wrong stock on the screen. Jeez. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, the fills are so amazingly scary. But how long they take. RVB, RVB, 9K size. Boom, good, good, good. Today we got on our big boy pants.
BPTH.
Isn't it so crazy that last week I wouldn't even dare to go up to 5K size on this? And now I'm taking 10K size? See, that's mindset right there. Doubt will only lead to failure. So we must not cage ourselves, but remain disciplined and optimistic. This could cancel. Man, what's going on? What? What? I'm gonna still get. I canceled the order. I still get filled. This broker is so bad. The day is gonna come where we're for sure gonna get caught. But you know, it's like it's free and it works for us. It's, we'll keep using it. But man, what the heck? I canceled for like a full 2 seconds, and then I get filled. If this is good, we should see a breakout. Or does it need more time? Right, and we are below VWAP, so we have to be careful of it failing here. We can't fall in love. Get married here, sadly. Bro, man. Alright, it's all good. When we can see some good momentum, man. Can we see some good momentum? We must be disciplined and patient here. Oh, there's a small bid. And not a lot of follow through. I'm gonna watch the breakdown and potential reclaim. Oh, is that low? Do not go to the depths. Do not go to the depths. All you do here. We must hold the line and reclaim. Come on, KB. Come on. Where are those bulls? Where are those bulls? Can we see a reclaim 35, 40? It's fighting, it's fighting, it's fighting. And it looks like we might be winning, winning, winning. 31. Big Steve. Are you long in that dip, brother? 40 for the high. Oh no, wait. Can I see 36 and higher? Is KB really still here? And you guys must be thinking I'm mad right now on the YouTube stream, but the past star is feeling pretty good. Oh, there's a small bid. I'm gonna add 500 shares. Can we see 37 here? There's 33. No, nope, nope, nope. I'm still holding 3,000 shares. I'm gonna prepare to add back. If this goes, I want to be in big size, big size. And honestly, there's my target. I'm gonna hold 500, and I'm gonna prepare for big size. But right at the resistance, if this can go and hold, show us something. Show us something. Yeah, why there's so much lag? It's battling. We should see it. We should see it. We should see it. We should see it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 55. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna miss an ad right there. 50.
BPTH.
Oh, you could have given me that. Oh, okay, okay, 60. 62. Well, all right. Well, okay. We've got a strong one here, ladies and gentlemen. Traders, we've got a strong one. A raging bull. Oh, not great. I don't know if this is good. I'm not taking that. Okay, maybe we got too comfortable there, and I bought that dip at 55, trying for 50. Not good. Okay, maybe we felt a little too good. Okay, I think SDIG might be good for round 2. Potentially. This chart is like, well, there's 2 minutes, but the chart here is kind of ruined. We're back below the resistance, and it looks like we're gonna close. I'm gonna switch gears. If it holds above VWAP, if this candle closes like at 48 or 50, let's say 48 or higher, I'll switch back. Okay, SDIG. To make a mistake like that to buy 55, not good. And I knew in my mind, I said to myself, sub 50, mid 40s, mid 40s, sub 50. But it came to 50, held for a split second. I wasn't patient enough to wait for sub 40. And to make matters worse, I got filled at 55 trying to buy 50. Oh no. Should have held that. Can we push through and try again? There are sellers though. But usually when these stocks come back up like this, they mean business. Show us 50. Like you know you want to. I need to prep for size. Quickly, 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 quickly. 9,500 might be a little bit much. There's no sellers there. It's not going, man. Well, okay, we can't take it personal. Gotta stay focused. The moment I take it personal is the moment I lose. And it's like, always those areas where green is on the tape, the sellers on the ask are gone, and then the stock doesn't go, and I get frustrated. Because usually we should see a move with that much buying on the ask. So it tells us that there's hidden sellers and perhaps short sellers at those levels. This dip here might have been good. Hopefully I get another chance. I'll take 16. Tight stop. I'm getting nervous as the green is hitting the tape and nothing is happening. I gotta be careful here. This stock is giving us trouble. Time, candle, pattern. Maybe it's not worth it. We have 2 topping wicks. You know, is this thing dominated by short sellers? Perhaps. GDC. How's GDC? Maybe this is the new one to watch. GDC. I'm gonna take the dip. 63. I'm gonna get a monstrously horrible fill, and I'm gonna have to cut that for a loss. Sadly. But the dip looks good. Maybe too much size. Yeah, too much size. I mean, it's a cheap stock. See, if we got that little lower, I could be in here looking to sell through 70. But it's back down, 63. I like these dips though into the previous high of day. You know, I like taking these trades. Alright, I think I'm going to put a clamp on the sides for now. Because we're kind of like putting out a lot of risk. And we're not really that green, so I'm going to size back down for the next like 10-20 minutes. Until something like really like, you know. Look at this thing. SDIG again. What we need is for it to just teleport to like 570 and maybe get halted up 620. Or even if it just goes up, if that first dip is good, then we can definitely be in riding the wave. I don't know about the breakout though. Some people, if it goes, some people will catch it. I don't think I will because I've tried 20 times and I'm red 500, so I don't know if I want to keep trying here. I still have mental capital, just not for this particular trade. There's 25. Usually the time I don't buy is where it goes, sadly. So we'll see what it does in the next minute here. You know, the old classic thing of you leave to go to the bathroom, then the stock goes. If it goes up, you know, thank me later. We'll see. What would be great here is like a massive bid of like you know, 50K or something. That definitely could help us out. The new 5-minute candle is coming up in a couple seconds. There it is. What is it gonna be? There's 26. This is the kind of area where something could happen if the volume is right and shorts cover over the highs. Do I want to try one more time here? Maybe I try one more time. Um, what's it gonna be? What's it trying to do? Come on, squeeze, 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 squeeze. It's not. I'm gonna keep trying here. I think it's onto something. A little slow. Do not collapse. It must hold up here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stock is gonna. Can't believe I missed that push right there. Anyhow, it's 44. It's very close, but it's like, can we do it? 30 is holding nicely. Come on. Do not disappoint us today. And I'm just losing money here, sadly. Another 300 gone. Bleeding out. Bleeding out. Bleeding out. Bleeding out. If it does go, I think I can do very well. But maybe I need to be more patient. And going back on my word there is going to cost me 300 because I still tried here despite saying I'm going to let it go. But part of the deal. But I would have expected more covering. Like that push to 44. Usually that type of candle goes all the way to like 65, 70. The moment that that stock gets over the highs and people start buying, short sellers covering, it just, you know. So good reasons to be looking for a trade there. As long as it's a part of the setup, we can live with it. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you're watching on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch. Bro, look at this fill. Like, come on. And take me to 20, please. Oh, I'm gonna stop out flop. Ah, brother. All right, still tanking. All right, can't help but feel a little disappointed. We're at 700 on this thing, man. It's a scratch trade, but still, I would have expected myself to be green. I think that there was enough opportunity to be green here. And I say that too many times, so I have to study this one again. All right, rotation. Let's not forget what we're supposed to do here. We gotta rotate to see if something else is moving. BBAI, GDC. Those two are interesting. At least worth keeping an eye on. What's the float? What's the float? This float might be high, because why is this looking like this? The level 2 seems pretty thick on second glance. BBAI percentage 42. Float 98. Yeah, no good. I'm gonna lose 20 bucks there for nothing. Time, it's early. Alright, I gotta. Alright, okay. I gotta size down. I gotta size down again. 1K size. If something comes at like 11, 12 p.m., I need to not be like red, you know? We did a great job with that cheaper stock. Everything else, we fumbled. So rotating SMFL, no good. SDIG, fooled me once, fooled me twice, fooled me 10 times. No good. REVB, this one is above VWAP. I don't know what's going on with the fill. We've been seeing this like it's to the point where these things are becoming normal, but that doesn't mean that it's good, you know? Like the fills are still pretty slow and laggy. Like you might buy, even if you might get filled where you bought, which is not always the case, it takes like 5 seconds to show on the screen. And then if you try to sell, sometimes you're getting that error message saying, like the order hasn't been filled. If the stock flushes in that moment, then, it's like you can't get out as quickly as you would like. Okay, okay, what was the low? 41 and 46. The high's at 55. Oh my gosh. Again, I see that lag right there. It's so bad. High 60s, a rejection and a high right there. But it held the $0.5 for now. Taking 42, tight stop. And I'll try again. If that bid was not there, that would have failed miserably. There's a 40,000 share buyer. I was already getting ready to be like, yeah, maybe that's today. Saved by the bell. All right, maybe we're still in business here. Maybe maybe the shop is still open. I want to see 60. I'm going to wait with these 500 shares. If I can add back along the way, I will be sure to do so. Aggressive add here, which might not work. Maybe it does. Oh my gosh. All right, I'll take it. And then right back down. And that ad was at 50. Poor Phil. All right, okay, fine. If this does get through 60, I'd expect like 75 because it has that range when it does start to go. Decent fill. Can we hold up our levels? I think over 54 should be very interesting. Also, if we can get a dip, that's always going to be good. Over 54. I'm going to add back 52. Come on, come on, come on. Do not go to the depths. Push, 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 push. Shoot for the stars. It's struggling. I'm gonna buy the dip. It should have just went right there, man. No dip? Where's the dip? Maybe no dip? See, if I buy right here and then it dips. Okay, I should have bought right there. There's 54. Ah, the fine line, I tell you. This is constant, like in the way how I see these stocks and how they move, it's like those decisions are like at almost every area. Okay, come on. There's a 10,000 share bid. It's not gonna do much. Or is it? This should be it. This should be it. There's sellers at 60. I'm gonna take 58. Try again. No kaboom. The sellers are gone though. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna miss that. Damn, 65. I tell you, man, these people, these fills. I'm definitely gonna have gray hair soon. 80. It's beating my expectations. I thought 75. It's at 90. Oh, it might go all the way. I'm gonna miss it. Damn. Oh, 8. Crap. Well, okay. Halt up it is. Damn, that was strong, right? I mean, did we have that many short sellers? Perhaps.
REVB.
You know why I missed that? I put out a limit order at 72 to buy the bid rather than marketing in. Again, the 50-50 decisions you have to make in your mind. I could have easily marketed in and I would have sold it like maybe I would have sold it 88 or 90, but still. Oh my gosh. So you can definitely feel a little unlucky at times, knowing that something so small is the reason you're gonna miss out an extra 600. Because from 72, once it got to 79, it like just 88, 90 teleported up right there. So even the red days, man, like the red days, it's like the same thing. Like it can be like milliseconds. It could be like a hesitation. It could be maybe you were a little aggressive on that dip, and that was the dip that didn't work. A lot of the times, it's so close. But the discipline and the consistency, the studying, the revising, the reviewing, the patience, those are all the reasons why we can see more green than red. Because we're all gonna lose at times, but if we can be more green than red in the long run, then we're doing it right. So we got 5 minutes. Now it's important that I'm accurate on this resumption. Now if we zoom out, we'll notice that we have key levels at 376 as well as 304. We're above 304 and we're halted up with high volume. Short sellers are on the run. I do think we can maybe see 350. So I need to be aggressive and accurate. If I'm not accurate, I need to size down immediately, trade it with small size. But if I can see good trades, I need to push forward and push through. $25, 24. We got about 2 minutes. I'm gonna bring out the blue light glasses. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, man. Hit that thumbs up if you're watching on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. Right now we have 491 people, but only 89 likes. Don't tell me you guys are trying to play me like the market makers, man. What's going on? Can we get up there to 160 likes? Hit that thumbs up if you're tuning in. We do appreciate it. Let's see what we get here on the resumption. The stock is off the charts. $25.24. We got about a minute and 10 seconds. $72 entry, man. I tell you. Smokes, but no cigar. Sometimes you gotta mark it in. And high of day was 65. Okay, nice. 304. We got about 25 seconds to resumption. We're 308 high. I gotta be careful here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Oh, it's 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep watching. It looks like it's 10 minutes. It's showing 3:30 resumption. 10 minutes.
COSM.
Can we see a dip? If we can see a dip, we know what to expect here. Gosh, I read this much on two stocks. Jeez Louise. Read so it's 30 and 24 seconds. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. We're now at 119 likes. 119 likes. We really should be averaging like 300 likes easy, but I don't know what's going on out there. And why the people do not hit the thumbs up for these beautiful free live streams of a profitable trader. Despite not showing level 2 and other data on YouTube, the streams are still pretty solid, right? So much so that they started calling me the pastor for all the preaching and motivation and repetition of all the right things with discipline, consistency. James, what's up? Sam Lee, Bahala, Joseph, Matthew, guys, Celeb, or is it Caleb? 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 I'm guessing Caleb Williams. Damn, I butchered that. AJ, Dash. Guys, hit that thumbs up. Resumption in 2 minutes. Resumption in 2 minutes. 2 minutes till victory. 2 minutes till we win. I'm manifesting it here. Manifesting beautiful green trades. Also manifesting myself keeping tight risk if the trade goes against me because I'm a realist. But manifesting here. 2 minutes till I dominate this stock resumption. Big Steve, brother. Today, Smoke is going to be my middle name. We want the smoke. We want the steam. GDC, break of 2, break of 3. Taking the dip. High fill, not great. Can we push? Scratch trade. Worth a shot. I got filled slightly higher, but whatever. 20, well, 30, 24. We got less than a minute for REVB. I tried to buy the dip at 85. We had a high of 96. I bought 85, 86. I got filled 91. It like the bits teleported up as I tried to get in, so sold break even. It's still at 85, went back down a bit. 25 seconds. Here we go. All right. Deep breath. Dip and rip. We know what we're looking for. Just got to be patient. If we don't see it, that's fine. Not gonna force it. 3, 2, here we go. Dip, 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 dip. Oh. Aggressive entry here.
COSM.
I'm gonna wait. It's coming down and the size down. We're net green over those two trades. That's all that matters. Low 15. No, 11. It's failing. Is what's happening here. Unless it holds up these lows. This is very important here. Fight. I give that too much time. It was supposed to go immediately, but it did look good. It got back to 30. I bought 22 net green. Well, what's it called? Unrealized green, 10 cents. It's hesitated 20. That's all she wrote. We weren't supposed to take this loss here. That's 12 cents. Where was my fill going in? $31. 30. Wait. 31? Is that right? How low did we go initially? I have to watch that back. I think maybe 20, 26, 24. So that was good. That was a good trade. And I did try to give it some time to get through 40 area, but I sold right up there. 48 exit is good. The dip is not going to work. Tight stop, but then this trade we should never lose here because I already know it's weak. And if I'm in on that bounce, it needs to be immediate. Why am I giving the stock 10,000 years to burn me? GDC, just a death trap, man. Alright. We're gonna have to take this 1K and smile. We're green 2600 on this stock, but red so much on some of the other ones that it's not really as beautiful of a day as we would want, but we have to smile. Smile, be patient. Some people might say Relentless. Well, why do you think it's failing after we didn't get the continued move and we started breaking down at like 330? Well, on these resumptions, it's kind of like, in terms of the probability, if we can hold up that first dip and maintain those lows, the chances of us like doing well is much higher. It's not to say that we can't make a new low. You know, let's say like we had what, 20, let's say 25 was the low initially on that first dip. It's not to say we can't come down to 11 like we did and then still not get back to the highs. But usually like the odds are lower, so you kind of have to like be prepared if you're going to get back involved. Oh man. The dip there at 11, some people are probably in at like 14. It gets to 30. But if you didn't sell anything, it lingered at like 24. And I'm in at 21, 22. And I'm watching it linger. It's like you got to kind of be ready if it's not going to go. And what you want is a gradual breakdown instead of the teleportation down to 280. The moment I saw the first red, like the first order hitting the bids, I'm like, yeah. I still took slippage down to what's that? 310 slippage. Selling break even and getting filled at 310. 12 cents slippage. Is GDC worth it? This is one of the stocks that I can't really connect on here. Low of 89, high of 99. Maybe overextended dips. As we're seeing topping wicks there. How well are we gonna bounce at 3? Seems like it's struggling, but there's 08. Okay, maybe it does go. There's 10, 12, back to 7 on the bid. Oh, I would have lost on that short trade there. Stopping out at 13 and at 9. It's inching up. There's 17, there's 20, there's 24, 29. Holy smokes. And I'm sighing because like what type of move is that? It's gonna get halted up. This is okay. I mean, I don't mind the halt for sure. All right. It's moving so strange right there. I mean, there was a 10,000 share buyer at 11, I think. But the move up is so strange right there. It's like very like chipping.
LLAP
It's chipping. Once I see like 24, the dip was at 3 off of that small drop. Once I see like 24, it's like, yeah, I'm not gonna buy here. It's too high. But here we are at the halt. So the halt does provide the entry for me. So if we can see the halt pattern, then I can take the dip and rip. Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, I mean, like, what's going on, man? Do we just buy and hope? That's the question that's being asked in the Discord. Day trading can definitely be a roller coaster of emotions. So you got to channel your energy, channel your emotions to do all the right things. Stay disciplined, use the appropriate share size, manage risk. It's not time to go off wheels and wander into no man's land, right? We still have to maintain ourselves here, keep composure. So, I'm just gonna enjoy the craziness, and I'm gonna use an appropriate size here. And if it can keep going before it pulls back here, then fine. Then great. I have the next resistance level. What was that? Did I look at this one pre-market? I don't think I did. Let's see. 450. 362. Hold on. What time is it? 41. 41:25. Okay, there's time. 360, 360, and then 367. So we had resistance in this area here before. And then other than that, like 450 area where we had, this is back in November of 2023. We had some bigger candles back there around like $455. So if we can push over 360, can we see something up to 4? But we're kind of extended, so after the dip and rip, I'm gonna wait. Unless it really wants to be like supernova, then I'm not gonna overdo it. Can we get green and then ease off? Might have to do 18. We can keep some bigger size here. Time 39, so we got another 2 minutes. GDC, please, can we see the entry? Can we see the entry that we know and love once again? For those of you in MMU, you guys know all very well what I'm talking about. For the broader audience, I'm looking for a pullback here essentially out of the resumption, right? If we can see that, there's some criteria that we want to see being met before I get long. If those criteria are met, then I'll be in with a tight stop. But, when these trades do not work, it is pretty brutal. So, the risk is definitely real. We can't sit here and act like we can't come out of this red 600-700, But we'll see how it does. 356. 41.25. We got a little less than a minute. A little less than a minute till victory. Till we win. Till we get green. 20 seconds and counting. Deep breath. And then cool, calm, and execution here. 10 seconds. 5 seconds or 356. Here we go. 3, 2. Can we get a dip? Oh, I lost. What the heck? Waiting. I don't know about the breakout here. I'm gonna wait. It's not going. I'm gonna wait. It needs to go over 80 and hold above 80 here to be good. I'll watch the extended. Okay, 50. Can we hold? Nah. Nope. I'm getting slippage, man. It's a big bid. It's just a mess. I need to just stop trading it. I'm gonna stop trading it. I'm gonna wait. Take a step back. It could still be good, but I gotta let it kind of do its thing here. I want to see it above 80 and holding above 80, and hopefully we get a dip after that. I've been seeing slippage here so far, so I gotta be careful with the fills. If it rejects the high, I'm gonna try to go short if it comes up there again. If there's shares available here, Thinkorswim. What's it gonna be? Come on. I would have been short at 80. Is it gonna fail? Oh no, it's back up 83. I probably would have covered it by paper hands. So I'd have been out like scratch. Come on, come on. If I see 90, I'm long. It's such a churn. Yes, sir. I'm losing here. Losing, losing, losing. To the depths, maybe. If it flushes down to like 310, will it give another big drop? Or maybe it's going to hold 30 here. Give me a big drop to go long. And 22, 22. I'm going to take 20. Can we see 30 out of this? But, alright, I'm going to cut it scratch. Well, I was red 170. I'm now red 340. The trade over 85, man. I'm in at 80 over 90 basically. It got to 94. No, it got to 96 and stalled out. In that area, it's supposed to just we're supposed to boost to like 420 or something. We consolidated. The 1 minute candle made the new high. We had resistance 75, 80 area. We broke over that resistance to 90, 96. We should be seeing covering and just buying through the whole dollar and just moon. VRAX has done decently. The volume though, a little iffy. Man. We're gonna have to take what we have, smile, and maybe shut it down. I would like to go till 12, but it's like we're not making any progress and we took on so much losses today. Red on one stock 726, red on another 601, and now red 340 GDC. So the green that we saw in REVB, instead of adding to it and then going up to like 4 or 5K on the day, we're in the depths. Time to rotate, cannot forget, just to make sure. SMFL, this is how I gotta rotate. What about this one? We had the higher low, and then now we have potential resistance, and then VWAP as well. So depending on how strong this can be here, maybe there's something for red to green. I'm gonna get my chair. Tired of standing here. My mic is muted. Holy crap! SMFL just taking off. VRAX halted. SMFL. Oh man. I don't know if my mic was off. I was calling this one out before the breakout. Hopefully some of you guys got it. Jeez. Time 50. This resumption is going to be at 50 and 46 seconds. The stocks are just going up without like really giving a dip, you know? Monkeypox, blah, 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 virus. There seems like there's some sort of headline. 50 and 46 seconds. So there's 40 seconds to VRAX. SMFL also moving up. Size. And then VRAX over here. Okay, there's 10 seconds to resumption, 10 seconds. Volume here is too light. 42 could work right there, and it is. Okay, maybe I might have kind of passed judgment too soon. I could have been long 45, selling 55. Hmm. I'm surprised that more people didn't look at this one. VRAX. I'm gonna sneak in a dip at SMFL watching. Gosh, freaking stock, man. All the way down to 196. I didn't look at the 5-minute chart, so maybe it was a bad setup because we're below VWAP at 17. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this wretched day. Time to put this day behind me. Yeah, okay, looking back at the chart, maybe this was a bad trade. And this is the problem with trying to watch too many stocks at once. I think the first dip was fine, which was 13. This is good. 13 is not bad here. VWAP is at 17, it's right there. But buying back at 07, and I got filled at 9, and I'm out at 02. It's like it seems so obvious, but then in the moment I'm not like aware of that. All right, I'm gonna take my 700 bucks and I'm gonna shut it down. Forget going the distance here. It just, I don't know, man. Like, oh, REVB, I'm really proud of how I did on that one, and everything else, like, despite giving my best effort, just. I called out this entry. I don't know if the mic was muted. The mic might have been muted, but I was calling out that this one was curling up right below VWAP and could be worth looking at. Moving the desk, bringing the chair. I'm not watching at it. So if there was an entry here for break of 10, I missed it. I don't see myself holding this entire green candle though. Like I would have been in at 10, maybe out at 20. And I would have been scalping it on the way up if I caught the first trade. But it would have came down to like a timing thing if I would have caught the actual move to the halt up. So I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna take the green and walk away. VRAX enticing me here. It's just not giving good vibes, man. Like, why are the bids looking like that? Can the bids hold up? Bids are looking shaky. Oh, there's a big bid. 95, and I'm gonna take a loss. Great. Break of 5, no good right there. Now it goes to 510 and then back to 93. Yeah, let me just close my computer, man, because what is the right move? What is the right move? high of 80. I think I'm gonna try to dip, and if it doesn't work here, then I'm gonna be out for sure. The halt up is at 21. We'll see if it gets halted up again. My fill isn't great, so I'm not gonna hold that trade right there, but it maybe would have been worth it. Yeah, it would have been worth it. 90. Yeah, 77 to like $5 would have been worth it. But I felt like I was in a little high versus the low, but it could have been worth a shot. There's $5. Ah, Pastor. Not good. Not good enough. We'll see if it goes all the way or if it gives a pullback first. I want to try to break out. Decent fill coming out there, but why is the orders taking so long to go through and to populate? The breakout, I think, could be good, but might be too risky to take because the bids are dropping down like 20 cents. Unless I can see 40 cents going up, guaranteed it's not going to make, it's not going to be worth it. And then I missed that 81 dip, so there it is. There's 20. So I'm botching all these trades. There's no reason why I should understand what the stock should do and then still not make money, you know? Is there ever going to come a time where I could say, that was the best day ever? Nothing more I could do. Great, Phil. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, do not go to the depths. Nice, nice. And my share size has been very small. 10K bid at 5. Can we see something? Oh, looks like I'm going to be out too soon. All the way to 20. My share size was only at 1K. Not great. Not great at all. Dang, that would have been a great fill. 94. I tried for 94 again, but it's up so fast. I'm only hitting the bids because there's a big spread. I'm not trying to get higher fills. Okay. KB. Do I go for this though? And nothing. Well, at least it's a break-even trade. KB, come on. Again, I don't want to be trying too many breakouts because, we're seeing the bids come back down. Five is holding for now. Time, 02. 3 minutes left in the 5-minute candle. I honestly don't trust it this time. This is like the third, fourth time. It's going to hold for now. There's 96 by 5. Okay, alright. I probably should have held that then. When it's the third time, I just don't like it. Waiting patiently. Is this a reclaim? Is that what this is? Do I want to try this? Uh, Maybe I might, but waiting. If this comes down, it better not blaze me, man. If this blazes me, I have no choice but to hit the road. Waiting for my target. The 5-minute candle has less than a minute. We saw 83 right there, which maybe is the bottom. Not aggressive right there, but maybe that's the low. Not sure. Oh, where are the glasses? 88 by 89. We got a new 5-minute candle. Why did I hesitate? What the heck is wrong with me? It might have bottomed already. Maybe, yeah, maybe it might have bottomed already. Can we push through? Tight stop. Can we push through? Can we push through? I'm in high, so I'm not like looking to, you know, I'll take the couple cents. 82 seems to have been the low right there. I didn't get aggressive down there. We did see support in that area earlier. So that's on me to not get in mid 80s, low 80s. We'll see if it starts to curl up here. We haven't seen volume yet. So if volume comes to the highs, I might take it. This is just a slow, gradual move. We haven't really seen any big buying. So if this gradual move takes us to the high, if the big buying comes to the high, can we get that new push through high of day? Moon, 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 moon. Oh, double top. Can I try again? Can we come on. 50, 40, something, anything. More like nothing. 510. The 5-minute candle is still strong, so the dips will probably make sense. Being aggressive and taking it high. Still sticking to the small size here. I'm going to jump in. Because if this goes and teleports, I need to be in. And resistance at 30 again. Oh, there's a bid. 10,000. But only 31. Oh, come on. Do not drop. Go, go. Go through the level. Fly. It's not flying. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. There's 40. I started laughing at myself there. Not good. I think we can still rip. Oh my gosh. Come on. We can't miss this entire push. 48. It still hasn't opened up yet. Okay, now it's skipping. There we go. It's now skipping. We should get halted up here. 66. Come on. There's a big bid. And I'm going to take a big loss. I'm not sure my fill's right there. Can we get halted up 66? They're so close here. And it's. I think it should still have more in the tank. Halt now at 76. Nope. Oh, okay. Yeah, nope. Waiting. Oh, maybe. Did that work? Mid to low 40s. 54 on the ask. I guess so. I mean, we're seeing 54 on the ask. From the lows, that's 14 cents. The 5-minute candle is still strong, but it's about to close in 10 seconds. Do we need more of a pullback? Mm. Oh. Fat finger mistake there. Is this too soon? This could be too soon too. I should have given it more time though. I'm gonna give it more time. Just in case. Just in case it holds here. That's why sometimes what you got to do is like put more of a stop, you know, so you're not like out too soon if the immediate bounce isn't happening. But then if it does come down to your stop, you're just okay, re-average and hopefully you don't catch big slippage. Because that's what really makes us lose going down is like thinking we can just keep it tight and then like right there, did I get a good fill? And I got fill 28 getting back in. And then the depths. Okay. Hitting the wrong hotkeys too. Don't you love it? Don't you love this day trading? I think I hit did I hit the wrong hotkey coming out? In the next 10 years, you can expect me to have a gray hair. 10 years. I give it 10 years. $400 to the drain. Back to square one again. All that good trading, missing out some of this move. To lose everything in 2 trades. I don't need to see anything else here. Gave it a good shot. Gave it a good shot, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care if it goes to the moon. I'm out of here. Day trading, I tell you, brother. Man. Alright. For those of you going the distance, continue to be disciplined. Continue to be patient. Pastor's out of here. Big Steve, brother. I didn't even know I was still in. I thought I exited the trade. I hit the wrong hotkey or something. I don't know what happened there. I think I bought it. I thought I don't know. I have to go back and watch to see what happened. I don't know. I thought I was out of the trade. My hands are even like this, and then I see something moving in the side of my eyes. But anyhow, it was a great day. Crazy momentum today. Hopefully tomorrow we get at least a day that's half as interesting. And if we do, we know it'll be a great day again. But yeah, for those of you going all the way, remain patient, remain disciplined, and be sure to check out those links down below. If you're interested in learning how to trade, remember coupon code station is coming to an end here. All right. So check out those links and I'll catch you guys later. The pastor is getting out of here. Pastor's done. Pastor green $800 and heading out with his gains. Stay safe, stay green. Catch you guys in the next one.